just me and the seal. How's this? There's a seal. And here's a totally deserted beach. Except for those fishermen way down there on the point. It's just like pristine. What's that? Hawaii no Ka-Oi. There's the seal, and here's Benson's action. We shall not disturb him or her. Of course, the tourists were all over her this morning, way out here. It was like 5 German tourists. By myself.